Okay, guys, we are back at it with PHGL. This is one that's being requested in the comments. PHGL in the last few days has been starting to gear up slowly for another move. This one here isn't going to be an easy one. When it comes in for any spike at all, it's going to be selling back off. All hopes for anybody who was holding in there. Everyone's hoping that that spike is just bigger than one of those small spikes that we've been seeing come in, which could happen on this stock. We've seen a lot of stocks come in for spikes like these. You guys remember like stocks like Hollow and MOGL. This stock reminds me of that. Let me see. Hollow and MLGO. Was it this one? Or MGOL, I believe. Yeah, it comes in for those spikes. When these stocks come in for spikes like this, they start to get stuck with that hot spike sentiment. The spikes like that are proof of manipulation and control, and that scares people off. So this and then it comes down to the industry as well. This stock right here, this stock right here, the company is principally engaged in soil and rock transportation business, and the company operates its business through three segments. The soil and rock transportation segment is engaged in the handling, loading, and transportation of excavated materials such as soils and rocks. The biodiesel oil trading segment is engaged in the sale of biodiesel oil for construction contractors which utilize biodiesel oil to operate construction machinery. The construction work segment is engaged in the excavation and lateral support (ELS) works and bore piling. If you are currently holding in there, what you're going to be looking forward to is a massive spike that's going to happen. When that spike happens, it's not going to be during the active hours. I mean, it's going to be during the intraday. That spike when it happens is going to be during the extended hours. Is it going to happen extremely early morning? Or in the after hours. They're gonna want to do it when everybody's caught off guard, and when that happens, it's gonna sell off almost immediately. Like they'll have all their buy orders always set. I can take you down to a 1 minute chart, but that's gonna be a lot of scrolling back to get all the way back there on the 1 minute chart. In fact, here I'll do it. Let me see. I'll say this stuff for nothing. I'll scroll back on the 1 minute chart. Let's see how far back this can go. And you see that volume in there? That's very low, very small volume in the stock. You got an average volume of 239 million, and you got a current volume of 670,000. Very, very low volume in the stock is gonna make it harder for the stock to really even come in for a move. I don't think I'm gonna be able to make it back that far on that volume, man. I love to be able to show you that volume stick on a 1 minute chart. Let me see if there's an easy way for me to get there. And if I zoom in here, right here, and then press 1 minute right here. No, it don't work like that, huh? Say, thought I found a cheat code real quick. Nah, we're not gonna be able to make it back that far to see that. But nonetheless though, that was instant. That was instantaneous. That's why it popped up so instant and sold off so fast. You know, they did that in a matter of minutes, like they already had they sale orders set up at those highs. So for this one, if you're in there, I recommend you have your sale order set or something like that so you be most prepared because it's gonna happen when you're asleep. We'll go look in PHGL over on Moomoo to see the most recent pressure for the last trading day. PHGL in the last trading PHGL in the last trading day. Oh, PGHL in the last trading day. And they do got those extra larges that are rushing in there right now. That's very good. That's the sign. Like that really is the sign that it's going to be happening. The extra large. Well, don't get me wrong. You know this is all happening while the entire markets in the last trading day are pushing up more bullish than bearish. You got like 9,000 advancers on Boom Boom, 2,000 decliners. So you know that's always something to keep in mind as well. What the market conditions be doing because of well, in fact, this one right here, market conditions not gonna matter for this one because it's gonna happen before you. It's gonna happen while you're asleep or as soon as you look away, anyways. You know, extended hours and big whales. You see, they set this thing up to like $200. That's gonna be the big whales that do that. You know, it's not gonna be small retailers. The small retailers that they gear up faster and faster. More people are taking notice of it, and I'm sure many people are gonna see this video. In fact, if you really want that stock to explode, then you got to build awareness to it. You can share this video out. That'll go build awareness to it. Share it on Twitter. share it on StockTwits, share it on Reddit. Those are some of the places that'll be best to share a video for your stock that'll help get attention to it and whatnot. And once that thing gets over that 1 million in volume, y'all know the type of juice is gonna come in. But remember, PHGL, they only have a balance sheet out. We're gonna be looking further into this. I don't think they had any recent news or anything like that that can. Okay, what's this? About a good month ago, addresses the Nasdaq compliance. No, that mean they. Okay, so addresses Nasdaq delisting notice and confirms fee payment compliance. Okay, that's bullish news. I mean, I guess not news enough to keep them holding up just yet. But sitting at $1 right now, they are still good to be in compliance. So we'll be keeping an eye on PHGL. Share this video out somewhere. If you share it out enough attention get on it, man. I'm telling you, share it on StockTwits and share it on Reddit, share it on Twitter, and put the ticker symbol in the hat. When you share it, it'll be a notice to it, and they'll see that spike, and they'll want to rally on it. But I'm Billy Bank. I'll see you all the next one, man. Happy trading.